Hello everyone, I'm Barney and I work on the trade counter at Fast Key Services, and in this video we are going to show you how to remove the lock cores from coin return locks. Now, the removal key on most coin return locks will have two actions. Not only will they work as the removal key to remove the original lock core, but they'll also act as a master key, and in the case of this Ojmar one, which is available on our website, we're going to demonstrate with here today. So here is our coin return lock. Here is our replacement core, but we'll also need one more key component. We'll need a coin because we need to get the lock into the locked position in order to remove the original core. So we have everything here. We take the lock, we put our coin in. Now we turn that into the locked position. You'll hear the coin drop into its place here. Don't worry, you will get your coin back. Take the original keys out. Now we take our removal key, and this will go in both ways, but only one way works, of course. If you put it in this way and it sounds and feels smooth, like that, then it's in the wrong way, so that won't work. If you put it in and it sounds like the pins are hitting the key and clicking against it, that's the right way up. So now we've got that in, we need to turn this back to the unlock position. The coin will drop out, and then we can take the core out. So here we go. And there we go. So that original core can be put to the side. Just make sure you remove the removal key and keep hold of this. And keep hold of this more importantly. Now we take the new core. We put this into the lock. Now it is actually slightly chamfered on the sides here, and it's also chamfered on the inside of the core here, so this will only go in a certain way. Now we need to turn the key so that this will click into place. So turn it back on ourselves here and push, and now that has now fully clicked into place. And that's how you remove the lock cores on coin return locks. So great, thank you very much for watching this, everyone. If you want to see more videos from us, be sure to click on subscribe and then click the bell icon that's just next to it, and you can always stay notified on whenever we upload a new video. So once again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.